Welcome to Crafty Blessings with Angie. We're redoing a Dollar Tree banner. So I painted all of the pieces first with folk art chalk paint, home decor. And I did them front and back. You know, banners, sometimes they get twisted and turned when they're hanging. And I just wanted to do them front and back. I will tell you, be careful because the back side doesn't have the paper coating on it. And if you get them too wet, you will break them. I had a little breakage on one of my ears of my bunny. I did use a skewer to pop through the holes. If you get a little paint in there, you'll see that. Then I took just the bunnies and I did a Waverly Antique Wax. I did a light coat, wet it, used a sponge, and did it lighter. That's where I had the problem with the bunny ear. And I think that was what may have caused it because I did add a little water to my antique wax. So be careful if you do that. You don't want to break off ears or anything like that. So I did the bunnies, and I did them front and back again with the antique wax and making sure to get the edges and all the things. And, and when I got finished, you see I sprayed water. I, be careful with the water. So I just didn't want it so dark. So that's what I did. But just be careful if you get them too wet. They are just made of that pressed cardboard. Then I used 3 colors of folk art paint. I believe I have a green and I have a orange and I have a brown. And if you want to screenshot those as the video goes, you could see the exact colors. I tried to tell myself I would remember that, but that's what happens. So I mixed my brown in with my orange because I didn't want a bright orange. I'm a vintagey person and I wanted these to look rustic and vintagey. And so I mixed the brown in with the orange. And so you see I'm painting the carrots. Again, using that skewer, you don't want those holes clogged up because you want to be able to put your jute back through that the banner hangs on. And so I'm drying those. And I did do these front and back again, just so you know. I guess I'm going to show you. So I'm painting the back side of that and the edges, making sure to get a good coat all the way around. Um, and so, the thing is you can make these your own. If you don't like vintage, you could paint them any color you wanted. You could decoupage if you have a napkin or a printable or whatever you would like to do. That's what makes this so versatile. They are really, they're cute the way they was. I almost left it the same. I went and hung it on my mantle. Now I'm dry brushing some white chalk paint on the top. And you'll see that I changed my mind on this after. On just the bottom section, the orange part, you see the chalk paint's not there. So this is the end. And then there is our finished banner. So you can do anything you want. As I was saying, you can make whatever you would like. I hung up the original banner. I wasn't happy, so I redid it.